everyone, I hope you all are okay at your home. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 3, addition and subtraction of class 4. Now in this chapter we are going to add the numbers of the 4 digit. What numbers we are going to add? The 4 digit numbers. You all know what is addition and what is subtraction. When we are adding 2 numbers or more than 2 numbers, it is called addition, and if we are subtracting the numbers, 2 or more numbers, that can be 4, 5 and many, that is called subtraction. Okay children, now with this we are going to start with our exercise, that is self practice 3A in your textbook. The first question we have to do in the textbook and the rest questions we have to do in the notebook. Okay children, so open page number 33 in your textbooks. Write the chapter number 3, addition and subtraction, then write the self practice in your notebooks. Now you have to open your books also and you have to write the first question, that is the first question which is given in your textbooks, you have to do in the book only. Okay, now we are going to add the numbers in the first question. First we have add. A part we have 6213 3543. We are going to add this number. 3 in your mind, 3 in your fingers, after 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1 in your mind, 4 in your fingers, after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 in your mind, 5 in your fingers, after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 in your mind, 3 in your fingers, after 6, 7, 8 and 9. The number you get is the 9756. Like that, do the C part, that is 3010 6763. 3 plus 0, 3. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 0, 7. 3 in your mind, 6 in your fingers, after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Number we get 9773. Next we are going to do is the E part, that is 4567. Okay, next we have 2345. Next we have 789. Now you have to add all these 3 numbers, 4 digit, 4 digit and 3 digit number. Now how you will add? 7 in your mind, 5 in your fingers, after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now after 12 take out the 9 fingers, here is 9. After 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 2 carry and 1. 6 in your mind, 4 in your fingers, after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After 10 take out the 8 fingers, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19, 20. 2 here and 0 here. Next we have 5 in your mind, 3 in your fingers, after 5, 6, 7, 8. After 8, 7 fingers, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. 4 in your mind, 2 in your fingers, after 4, 5 and 6 plus 1, 7. Number we get 7701. So children, like this you have to complete the rest of the questions in your textbook. I will give you at the last the homework what you have to do in your notebook and the book. The rest questions of part A, question number 1 add, you have to do in the book only, but now we are going to start with the question number 2, that is the word problem we have. Question number 2 we have word problem. You have to write the whole question in your notebooks. Don't only write a beekeeper dash 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 all together. You are not going to write like this in your notebooks. Okay children, you have to write the whole question in your notebook. What is the question? A beekeeper maintained 2 beehives. Now there is a beekeeper जो bees रखते हैं. They are having the 2 beehives. There were 1,250 drone bees in one hive and 2,532 drone bees in the other hive. Now there are 2 beehives and they are having the different number of drone bees in both the beehives. How many drone bees were there in the hives all together? Now all together कितनी बीज है उनके पास में, ड्रोन बीज कितनी है टोटल? तो जब हमसे टोटल पूछा गया है ऑल टुगेदर, वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड बोथ दी beehives, the number of drone bees we have in both the beehives, and then we will get the total number. Now if the question is asking you all together or more, how much more it is, or how much that is in total, then you have to add the numbers. If they are asking you how much is left or how much is remaining, then you have to subtract, आपको minus करना है. Okay children, the question is asking how much they have in all together, so we are going to add the numbers. How we will just write? You will first write, after writing the question, what you will write? First you will write drone bees in one hive, then drone bees in other hive. First one, what? How much we have? 1,256. Second one we have is the 2,532. Okay children, we are going to add these two numbers because they are asking us the all together how much drone bees they have. 6 in your mind, 2 in your fingers. After 6, 7, 8. 5 in your mind, 3 in your fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 in your mind, 5 in your fingers. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 in your mind, 2 in your fingers. After 1, 2 and 3. Total how much we have? 3,788. So at last what you will write? Therefore 3,788 drone bees were in the hives. Okay children, so this was our second question. Now just copy this second answer in your notebooks. You have to do the first question in the textbook, second question you have to do in your notebook. From the second questions, all the rest questions will be done in the copy only. No one is going to write in the textbook. You all have to write the answers in the notebook only. Okay children? Now coming to the question number 4. A farmer picked 6,820 apples. Now what the question is saying? A farmer, he has picked how many apples? 6,820 apples, 3,589 peaches and 1,733 mangoes from his farm. अब उसने अपने फार्म से कितने एप्पल्स लिए? 6,820. पीचेस कितने लिए? 3,589. और मैंगोज कितने लिए? 1,733. How many fruits were collected in all? Now they are asking you how many fruits were collected in all. तो क्या होगा? हम क्या करेंगे इसमें? We are going to add all the 3 fruits. Okay children, so that we will get the the total number of fruits which he have collected from the farm. How you will write? Number of apples, then number of peaches, last you will write number of mangoes. How many apples were there? 6,820. How many peaches were there? 3,589. 1,733 were mangoes. We are going to add all these three numbers. 9 in your mind, 3 in your fingers. After 9, 10, 11, 12. 2 in your mind, 8 in your fingers. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After 10, 3, 11, 12, 13 and 14. 8 in your mind, 5 in your fingers. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Then 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. 6 in your mind, 3 in your fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9 plus 1, 10, 11 and 12. How much in all? 12,142. So children, what you will write? Therefore, 12,142 fruits were collected in all. Okay children, I hope this question number 4 is clear to you, that there were 3 fruits which were given to us, apple, peaches and mangoes. They were asking us how many fruits in total have been collected. If they are asking you in total all, you have to add the numbers and then you have to find out the answer. I hope you have done the question number 2 in your notebooks. So we will just proceed with the next question. Okay children? Now we have question number 6. A factory manufactured 6,754 ink pens. Now how many ink pens the factory is manufacturing? 6,754 and 3,598 ball pens. And how many ball pens in a month? 3,598. How many pens did the factory manufacture in a month? Now they are asking you that in total how many the pens they are been manufacturing in a month. So what you are going to do, you are just going to add both the numbers because they are asking you the total amount of the pen. Okay children? So you will write number of ink pens, number of ball pens. How many you have? 6,754, 3,598. You are going to add these numbers. 4 in your mind, 8 in your fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5 in your mind, 9 in your fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. 7 in your mind, 5 in your fingers. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. 6 in your mind, 3 in your fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 1, 10. How much in total? 10,352. So at last what you are going to write? Therefore, 10,352 352 pence did the factory manufacture in a month? Okay children, I hope you have completed the exercise 3A till the question number 6 I have done, and the rest questions which are left over you have to do that as a homework. Okay, so I will just write the homework by rubbing this question number 4. इन बुक कौन कौन से पार्ट्स आपको करने हैं? दैट इज बी, डी, एफ, जी, एच, आई एंड जे. Okay children, now coming to the next we have do in notebook. Question number 3, question number 5. Okay children, now this is the homework which you have to do in your book and in the notebook. Question 3 and 5 in your notebook, and these questions in your textbook, and this the work which I have done on the blackboard. You have to just copy the same work in your classwork notebooks. Okay children, I hope the exercise 3A is clear to you. So you have to practice all these questions at your home 2 times in your practice notebook. Okay children, thank you.